This makes me confused when it comes to answering why. Why do schools deal with mobile phones as a ticking time bomb? Do mobile phones represent a true obstacle in the educational process? Frankly, mobile phones have both advantages and disadvantages. Some teachers claim that mobile phones do cause some kind of disruption or distress inside school classes. They also claim that mobile phones may distract the concentration of some students or the majority of mobile users inside the classes and taking their concentration away from what is taught in the class. But actually, this shows up two questions. The first one is, why do students bring mobile phones to schools? This is a very important question which needs a clear answer. In some cases, students come by private drivers, for example, so they need to stay in contact with their drivers. So one can say why a student didn't use his supervisor's landline. Actually, the problem is out of the school. When he's out of the school and needs to call his driver, would he use his supervisor's landline? The second question is, why mobile phone seems to be more interesting than concentrating on what is taught inside classes, or reading a book, or solving a problem. This is because those students are missing what is called the fun of learning, or the fun of education. Students miss many essential facilities, many essential facilities in schools. That's why mobile phones can be more interesting with its various and varied applications. The third argument is, some teachers claim that students take photos of them while experiencing nervous moments, such as shouting or beating a student. And actually, there are a lot of cases in the courts about this problem. But another question arises. Is it the fault of the student only? Actually not. The teacher is involved too. The teacher is the one who put himself in such situation. For instance, a very popular case in the court of Texas in the United States, where a student took a photo of his teacher and used it to blackmail him through the media. On the other hand, about 12 cases in the courts of Egypt over a period of 3 years. It was about teachers who blackmailed their students using the media too. This brings up a conclusion that both teachers and students may use mobile phones in the wrong way. So why it is banned only for students? Why it's not banned too for teachers? Last but not least, why don't schools make use of mobile phones in favor or for the sake of education? Actually, mobile phones can be potential modern tools for learning. Mobile phones can be used within conducting research or collecting information inside classes, which opens a wider space for discussions to be done inside classes. All in all, do you still believe that mobile phones in schools are an absolute guilt? Thanks a lot.